Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a nice little cocktail called Kentucky Coffee. All right, first thing I'm going to do, obviously get a coffee cup, and then you want a shot or 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. Then you want to add 2 ounces, or about 1.25 shots of bourbon. Any bourbon will do. To be specific, I'm using Maker's Mark. And then you want about 4 ounces of coffee. You want the coffee to be a little cooler because, again, freshly brewed coffee has enough heat to cook the alcohol out. And then just give it a stir. And that's that. Kentucky Coffee. Done.